A government lawyer told a judge this job sucks during a court hearing stemming from the Trump administration's immigration enforcement surge. Now she has been removed from her post at the Justice Department. That lawyer isn't from Minnesota. She was brought in here to help shore up the staffing at the U.S. Attorney's Office that appears to be hemorrhaging attorneys at a time when they are needed the most. Here's Jonah Kaplan.
In Washington on Wednesday, lawmakers were again talking tough about fraud in Minnesota.
Minnesota's Democrat leadership failed to enforce the laws it passed, and that failure allowed organized fraud to flourish, harming children, betraying families, and robbing the public of trust and resources.
But in Minneapolis, the public right now may not be getting the full weight of the government to actually investigate and prosecute that very fraud. In 2024, former and current U.S. officials report as many as 70 people worked as assistant U.S. attorneys for the Federal District of Minnesota. By summer 2025, that number was down to less than 40. Now it's as low as 17. The reasons vary: resignations, retirements, DOJ cuts, not to mention pressure from the Trump administration during Operation Metro Surge. But the why isn't as critical to the what now. The next trial connected to the Feeding Our Future fraud case begins in April. The 4 attorneys who worked the other cases, they're gone, along with the attorneys who had been working the Vance Belter file. He's the man accused of assassinating former Minnesota House Speaker Melissa Hortman.
And I'm here to tell you, if I can borrow words from a great 20th century leader, we're not even at the end of the beginning of our pursuit of the stolen money.
The current U.S. Attorney for Minnesota, Daniel Rosen, last spoke with us in December and wouldn't comment for this story. The Department of Justice, though, has sent dozens of attorneys here from other districts from all of Minnesota's neighboring states, plus Michigan, D.C., and the U.S. military. In Minneapolis, Jonah Kaplan, WCCO News.
Minnesota is not the only federal district dealing with staffing issues. CBS News has reported several departures across the country, including at the Department of Justice Civil Rights Division in Washington.